Next, I want to show how you can use the calculator to find the mean and median of a frequency distribution. So we want to go to Stat Edit, and then Stat Calc 1-bar stats, press L1, L2, and then if you have the second type of operating system, just make sure to list L2 as your frequency list, and then press Calculate. So press Stat, select Edit, and then I'm entering in my scores into L1 and the frequencies into L2. And then quit out, go back into the Stat menu, go over to Calc and select 1-bar stats, and then on my calculator I'm typing L1, L2. And these are my 1-bar stats. So the mean is 4.1. Scroll down, the median is 4. So I've recorded the median of 4 and the mean of 4.1. Now all I need to do is find the mode. And that's not too bad given a frequency distribution, because it's just going to be the score with the highest frequency. So that would be 4, because it has a frequency of 7, which is the highest.